Hello, welcome to Suncall Corporation. This is Kyoto head office located near Kyoto Arashiyama, famous tourist hotspot. We'd like introduce about Suncall to you from now on. We were born in 1943 as a manufacturer of materials for aircraft springs. After the war, we contributed to the development of the Japanese automotive industry, focusing on valve springs for automobile engines. The Suncall logo symbolizes the gathering of technology and wisdom under the sun. Our corporate philosophy is Shosohen, technology taking flight to create change. We provide unique technology for a better world and contribute to new realms and unknown areas. Our technology continues to expand across various fields. In this context, we would like to introduce four main business areas: materials-related business, automotive-related business, printer-related business, and optical communication business. First, let me introduce our materials-related business. Our strength lies in our ability to provide consistent production from steel materials to products. We respond to customer demands by stretching materials and applying heat treatment and surface treatment. This precision plastic processing is our core technology. In particular, with materials called shaped wire, it is possible to change the cross-sectional shape freely. The process that creates shapes such as squares, stars, and hexagons with high dimensional precision is one of the leading advanced technologies in Japan. The second one is the automotive-related business. It involves the process of finishing various products using the materials produced in the materials-related business. The valve spring, which governs the intake and exhaust cycle of the engine and requires high strength and durability. The valve cotter, which is responsible for fixing the axis of the engine's intake and exhaust valves, and the spring seat, demanding standards, precision, and strength for each device. The drive plate, which transmits the motor's power to the engine when starting. Various parts such as these are manufactured. Additionally, as safety components, we manufacture retractor springs used for seatbelt retraction, and sensor rings for anti-lock brake systems. The retractors utilize technology to stretch and coil a sheet material known as rolled material. The third area is our printer-related business. In this business, we produce rollers that supply paper within printers. These rollers achieve precise paper feeding by coating ceramic particles onto a metal shaft. For inkjet printers, we boast a high market share of over 60% worldwide. We also produce torque limiters used in paper feeding mechanisms and spring clutches used in the parts that extract paper from cassettes. These contribute to preventing double feeding of paper and achieving high separability. The fourth business is the optical communication business. We produce connectors and adapters essential for connecting optical cables. Through resin molding technology, we design unique mechanisms and supply high value-added products to the expanding global market, such as data centers and FTTX fiber to the X. In addition, we are also engaged in various developments as new businesses. First, we have the electric vehicle-related business. The busbars, which are power distribution components, have been supplied to domestic and overseas car manufacturers since the dawn of development in electrification. As the trend of increasing current capacity progresses, including thicker profiles and lengths extending up to 3 meters like this, we offer solutions that match the evolution of batteries. Bending and twisting, processing technology that makes it possible with high precision, called forming, as well as surface treatments that provide insulation and heat resistance. These are the products that combine our technologies. And a current sensor that incorporates sensing functionality into the bus bar. It boasts high measurement accuracy and is adopted by EV manufacturers in Europe and North America. In addition to detecting the remaining charge of EV batteries, it is also active in various markets including industrial equipment and storage batteries. Finally, I would like to mention the rehabilitation robot business. We are developing a walking training support robot for patients with hemiplegia after a stroke in collaboration with universities and others. It has received positive feedback at rehabilitation facilities across the country. Additionally, as part of our efforts towards the SDGs, in Miyazu, Kyoto Prefecture, we are engaged in a bamboo charcoal business that utilizes bamboo affected by bamboo damage and carbonizes it through environmentally friendly methods. We offer a wide range of products under the All Made in Kyoto brand, from functional materials for painting and deodorizing to everyday items like notebooks and miscellaneous goods. Our aim is to protect the beautiful nature of Miyazu and give back to the local community. We would like to introduce our domestic and overseas bases from now on. First, the domestic bases. In Kyoto, there is the Kyoto headquarters factory, which mainly focuses on materials-related business. In Aichi Prefecture, there are 2 factories producing automotive parts. As for our subsidiaries, we have Suncall Engineering in Minami Alps City, Yamanashi Prefecture, specializing in press processing, and Suncall Kikuchi, Kumamoto, which handles various springs and EV products. As for overseas bases, we have production bases in China, Thailand, Vietnam, the United States, and Mexico, as well as sales bases in North America, Dallas, Guangzhou, Hong Kong, and Munich, Germany. We produce automotive parts in China, Thailand, and North America. And we are enhancing the manufacturing and sales functions of EV products at each base. This is all for our company introduction. Suncall, a company that continues to challenge various forms of manufacturing. And we appreciate your support for Suncall.